What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and tonight is Tiny Whoop Racing night here at the E-Team HobbyPlex here in Fort Collins, Colorado, and it is the Dash for Cash race. So I'm not sure what that means exactly, but we're racing for money. I'm here with Mr. Ben from Tiny Whoop and Mr. Nick.
What's up?
So we're all doing definitely some racing, so tune in and enjoy the footage.
Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to this sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to the sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to the sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to the sound. Wheeling and rolling, flying around. We're gonna take this tiny whoop all over town. Life's so much better when you ain't down. So get on up with this tiny whoop and rock it to the sound.